Now, TVJ Sports understands that Jamaican batsman Andre McCarty is one of at least two players who have been withdrawn from the Jamaica Tallawahs squad after being deemed a close contact of a player who tested positive for COVID-19. The local cohort of players are set to depart the island next Monday for Trinidad and Tobago to begin quarantine, but were given the news of the positive result of a Jamaican-born player who will represent another franchise in the competition. It means McCarty, who was training with the infected player at the time, will now have to miss the tournament.
Christian startups and everything, Yeah, but it just messed up out, The save me negative, not start some good, but it messed up, man. Yeah, man. Big love and not even you are the problem, you know what I mean? You test negative and then to just go and take it easy,
Now, TVJ Sports also understands that one of the likely replacements is West Indies batsman Jermaine Blackwood, who represented the franchise 2 seasons ago. The CPL is set to run from August 18 to September 10 in Trinidad and Tobago.